everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today it's Side Dish Saturday and I'm going to make some real good stuff with a zucchini in a few different ways, and tomatoes and onion, garlic powder, lemon juice, some butter. Stay tuned to see the whole show. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first zucchini we're going to prep for is going to be a boat. So I'm cutting off the large end, and then I'm going to hollow this out, and I'm going to fill it up with some tomatoes and some garlic powder. So we'll get to that in a little bit. Now the next two are fairly easy, because for those we cut up some rings, and then we're going to fry these up with a couple of different things. Now we turn on the deep dish frying pan. We'll need some oil. I'm using olive oil. This is a garlic mushroom. Just a little bit left in the bottom of that one, so we'll finish that bottle off. Run that around. Then I'll just throw in a little bit of butter. Doesn't take much, about half an inch. We'll get that melting, and we'll get the zucchini in there. I'm going to put some Italian salad dressing in here. This is easy. This is a side dish. But it's a good one. Now I'm going to split my pan in half. I have two different sides. On the left side, I'm going to put garlic powder. On the right side, I'm going to put Italian seasoning. On both of them, a little salt and pepper. And a squirt of lemon juice. Then just let it cook for a little bit until they soften up, brown up. In making the boat, we have to cut the top off this zucchini, just like that. Then I'm going to make a little cut back about half an inch from the end. Just enough where it'll keep a little bit of a dam there for me. Then I'm going to take a spoon and very carefully I'm going to outline where I want to clean it out. Just like that, you get a nice piece of zucchini out of there. And if you want, you can take and throw that in the pan with your other ones. Okay, let's go in for another little cleanup. I'm telling you, the spoon works really, really well. It cuts right through this. It makes it neat, clean. Just like that. Then I'm going to put some butter inside here. I'm going to put in some of the Italian, if I can get it open. There you go. Some pepper. Some salt. Garlic powder, because I like garlic powder on everything. And a little squirt of lemon juice. I have a silicone bowl here that I can use. I take some tomatoes, cut them up real fast with the scissors. My oven is preheating. Just like that. Let's just throw it in. These are starting to look scrumptious. You just have to turn them over once. And if you need to put in more butter, you can. This is a non-stick Ninja pan. Stuff's not going to stick to it. Oh, and I'm getting a real nice fond on it. Oh, well, they smell so good, and they're all roasted. I think one of the tricks is don't put in too much oil or butter. You can always add more if you need it. You want them to be more dry roasted than boiled in oil. Well, I have two sides here to serve up. So we'll serve them up separately. There's the one side. And here is the other side. Just like that. Then I'm going to spoon some of the juice on top. Here we go for two easy sides and the other one that's in the oven still. Those smell really delicious. This is all done, and this is going to probably be a little tough because this little rascal is going to be hot, but I'm going to try to sneak it out of here so that I can show you what it looks like. Wow. Inside the center is all cooked. I wish you could smell this. That is so cool. What a great idea. Well, that's the show for the day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It sure smells good. And let us know if you like zucchini by hitting the thumbs up button. That's going to be our question of the day today. Do you like zucchini? Hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.